Good morning. This is Robert Kaars Sijpesteijn bringing you this morning's market update. US markets dropped yesterday. The US 500 hit its lowest level since March as all indices saw sell-offs amid concerns of a rate hike as early as next month. The US 500 dropped 5 points to close on 2041.25. The US Tech 100 declined 23 points to close on 4317.63. And the Wall Street declined 89 points to close on 17,437. After treading water since December, the Federal Reserve has taken a big step towards restarting its rate-raising campaign. The central bank this week formally put markets on notice via the minutes of its April meeting that an increase in short-term interest rates is a real possibility this summer. Bill Dudley, the New York Fed chief, hammered that message home on Thursday, saying that if the economy continued to evolve in line with his own forecasts, then it would be reasonable to expect a tightening in June or July. In the commodities sector, gold dropped off a further $3 to close on $1,257. The precious metal is heading for the longest run of weekly losses this year, courtesy of the Federal Reserve, which has signaled in comments from policymakers and meetings minutes that the interest rates are going to rise potentially as soon as June. Gold's rally in 2016, which saw prices climb to a 15-month high, has now been thrown into reverse due to this. Brent crude regained some losses yesterday, adding 32 cents to close on $48.86 a barrel. In Europe, the Germany 30 declined 100 points, while the UK 100 followed suit, dropping 34 points to close on 6,092.9. In today's corporate news, the Competition and Market Authority has released its provisional decision on the proposed merger of Ladbrokes and Coral, ruling that it may give rise to the competition concerns. The CMA said 350 to 400 stores would have to be sold for the merger to be conditionally cleared. Alcohol wholesaler Conviviality has reported a sale increase of 137% to £864 million in a trading update for the 53 weeks to the 1st of May. Suit retailer Moss Bros has reported a 5.1% like-for-like sales increase in the 15 weeks to the 14th of May. And magazine publisher Future has reported a fall in revenue from £30.8 million to £30.2 million in the 6 months to the 31st of March. Today's economic data in focus at 10 a.m. European Central Bank current account is released. At 11 a.m. Confederation of British Industry Industrial Trends survey data is released. At 2 p.m. there's a speech from US Federal Reserve Board's Daniel Tarullo. And at 3 p.m. the US existing home sales figures will be released. That's all for this morning's market update. Thank you and goodbye.